In this video, I will show you how to exit the Steam Big Picture mode on PC. And if this tutorial helped you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here I am currently on Steam and I've got the Big Picture mode enabled. So this is quite a new feature that Steam's added, and if you want to know how to come at this, there's actually two ways. So what you can do, you can either press escape on your keyboard, or you can come down and click Steam menu, which is down here in the bottom left hand corner. And then what you want to do is click onto power. So don't worry, this isn't going to turn off your PC or anything, but what you want to do is click onto power. It's going to bring up a menu like this. And all you want to do is come down and click onto exit Big Picture mode. So after a second or two, it's going to load that through and it's going to come up in the normal picture mode. Now, if you've got an issue where you're starting Steam and it's starting up in Big Picture mode all the time and you don't want that to happen, you can actually disable this as well. So to change out, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and you want to click on Steam up here and then come down and click onto settings. From here, if you come to this menu on the left hand side, what you want to do is click onto interface. And then from here, you're going to see some options. And if you actually look down, you're going to see this option where it says start Steam in Big Picture mode just down here. So all you want to do is just turn this toggle switch off, and that's going to stop Steam from starting up in Big Picture mode every time you load up the Steam application. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to drop down below the video, leave a like, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.